Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're going to start up our Chevy Chevelle here. Got a 396. It's got some built a little bit, so it got some pretty good horsepower. Also, we just added Holley Fuel Injection, 400 turbo tranny with a 12-bolt rear end. You can see a blinker to the left, blinker to the right. Clock does not work. Fuel gauge does. We do not have the temp gauge hooked up because we're using the Holley setup. Top works, air works. I don't know if you can hear that, but the fan is running. And the horn works. So I just don't have the wiper arms on it yet. They do work. We're just getting this thing done being built, so we'll let you take a listen and show you the lights. Built pretty well. Brand new rebuilt motor, brand new tranny. Lots of receipts go with this car. Any questions? 605-695-7391.